Class 7. Good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? Let us see the chapter 5th, My Sister's Sister, 1, section 2, page number 59. See the second part. There was the usual rush and a bustle everywhere. I went and stood before the ladies' compartment. There was two just passenger there, my sister and an old lady. The as in the part 1, in the section 1, we read that the she went to the study to receive her sisters, and when she reached there was the usual rush. The railway stations are a very crowded place. Every person running here and there very hurriedly, so that there was a usual rush, there was a great rush and bustle, yani ki noisy and excited people were everywhere. They were running here and there, and she went and stood before the ladies compartment, because generally her sister traveled by the ladies compartment, and she went to and stand in front of the stood before the ladies compartment, and there was just two passengers were there were only two passengers there. First, her sister, my sister, and an old lady and an old lady. It seemed totally incredible that a train coming from the Delhi and could possibly have such an empty compartment. So that there were only two ladies, one her sister and her sisters, and second was an old lady. It seems totally incredible, unbelievable, difficult to believe. Ki only that is on there was only two ladies. It seems totally unbelievable there that a train coming from Delhi. The train was coming from Delhi, and there is only two passengers in the ladies compartment. How could it be possible to such an empty compartment? She was surprised to saw that. उसे वो देख के बड़ा आश्चर्य हुआ कि उस ट्रेन में, जो कि ट्रेन दिल्ली से आ रही है, उस कंपार्टमेंट में केवल दो ही लेडीज हैं. द टू ऑफ देम मस्ट हैव हैड अ रियल कॉजी जर्नी, स्लीपिंग ऑल द वे. It's good. The two of them must have had a real cozy journey. They both ladies were have a very comfortable journey. Cozy journey, very, जिसे हम कहें कंफर्टेबल जर्नी, बड़ी आरामदायक जर्नी. दे वर स्लीपिंग ऑल द वे. सारे रास्ते में वो बड़ी सोती हुई या लाइंग ऑन द बर्थ ऑफ द ट्रेन, तो वो लेटी हुई आई. My sister held the old lady's hand and helped her alight from the train. Her sister held the hand of old lady and helped her to get off from a train, to get off the train. उसने उस old lady का हाथ पकड़ा, caught the hand of old lady and helped her to get off the train. I took charge of my sister's suitcase. The narrator held the sister's suitcase or the sister's suitcase and baggings, and my sister called me and said, "Here, Neelu, come and touch her feet. She's my elder sister, you know, my Baro Didi." Her elder sister called her and said, "Come, Neelu, and touch her feet. Neelu, यहाँ आओ and touch her feet. उनके चरण स्पर्श करो. And she is my elder sister. ये मेरी बड़ी sister है. She is my elder sister. You know, जानती हो तो my Baro Didi." The narrator was quite astonished. I was quite astonished. I had just one sister. I had never in my life heard of any other sister. She was greatly surprised, astonished, surprised, आश्चर्य होना. He had never listened before it. I had never in my life heard, I never listened before it that any other of sister. मैंने किसी और sister के बारे में नहीं सुना, और मेरी एक ही sister थी. The old lady had a snow white hair and a winsome smile. The description of the old lady, she had a beautiful smile. Snow white hair, जिसे हम कहें great white, एकदम milky white, एकदम snowy white hair, and winsome smile, very pleasant and charming smile she had on her face. And she must belong to a famous family, and she thought she must belongs to a famous royal family. I thought, for two men in the khaki uniform had come to receive her and see to her luggage. As I thought, on the time for two men in the khaki uniform had come to receive her, on the time the two men in a khaki uniform in a uniform come to receive her and see to her luggage, and they took her luggage. She had a lovely cane basket in her hand. उसके हाथ में she had a beautiful cane basket, cane से बनी हुई एक basket थी उनके hand में, and which she had not handed over to anybody, and she was keeping it very carefully in her own hand and she didn't hand it over to anyone. उन्होंने ये बास्केट किसी को भी नहीं दी थी इससे पहले, and now she was very carefully about it. I felt sure it must contain her jewelry. She felt, the narrator felt, it's very important to her, ये बहुत important होगी, and she must have, I felt that it must contain her jewelry and she must have inside the jewelry in beautiful can basket. उसने सोचा इस beautiful can basket में उनकी important jewelry होगी. I bent down and touched her feet just as my sister had asked to me. She bent down and touched her feet as her sister told her. जैसा कि उसकी सिस्टर ने उसे कहा था. She bent down and touched the feet of the old lady. She laid a hand on my head and blessed me aloud, saying, live long and be brave. She blessed her very greatly and kept her hand on the head of the narrator. He hand on the head the narrator and blessed her loudly, saying, उसने आशीर्वाद दिया, live long and be brave, अच्छे लंबी आयु हो और बहादुर बनो. Then she turned to my sister and said, she turned towards her sister and said her, why don't both of you come with me? तुम दोनों मेरे साथ क्यों नहीं आती? I have my car here. मेरी कार यहीं है. I said, but our father's office car is also here. तो narrator ने कहा, but our father's office car also here. लेकिन हमारे फादर की ऑफिशियल कार भी, ऑफिस की कार भी यहाँ है. वेल देन सो लॉन्ग, ठीक है, अच्छा चलते हैं. शी सेड, देन शी सेड टू माई सिस्टर, उसने तब वो उनकी सिस्टर से डिपार्चर होते हुए एक बात कहती हैं. आई होप यू विल रिमेंबर वी ऑल लिव बिन टेलिंग यू. आई होप यू विल रिमेंबर, मुझे आशा है कि तुम्हें वो सब याद रहेगा. रिमेंबर ऑल आई हैव बीन टेलिंग यू, जो कि मैंने तुम्हें बताया है. माई सिस्टर रिप्लाई, ओ यस बारो दीदी, हाँ बिल्कुल बारो दीदी. एंड नाउ आई विल रिमेंबर एवरीथिंग एंड आई विल डेफिनेटली सी यू व्हेन यू कम टू दिल्ली. I will remember everything and I will definitely see you when you come to Delhi again. Or her sister said, I will remember everything. मुझे हर बात याद रहेगी. I will remember everything very well and I will definitely meet you, definitely see you. I will definitely meet you when you come to Delhi again. और जब आप दिल्ली आएंगे तो मैं आपसे ज़रूर मिलूँगी. The moment we got into our car and when they entered the car, I asked my sister who the old lady was. The narrator asked the sister who was the old lady. She merely says, my elder sister. She replied carelessly, my elder sister मेरी elder sister है. The very next moment she asked me, by the way Neelu, have you any idea where one can buy the cobras? Now the narrator's sister was become very crazy to purchase the cobra and give the domestic training like the बारो दीदी. वो भी उन्हीं की तरह एक कोबरा खरीद कर उसे ट्रेनिंग देना चाहती थी. So that she asked me, वो अपने नरेटर से पूछती हैं, by the way नीलू, have you any idea, क्या तुम्हें कोई आइडिया है where from we can purchase cobra, कि हम कहाँ से कोबरा परचेज कर सकते हैं. I was startled यानी surprised, shocked. I was shocked. Had I heard her rightly? Had I heard right? क्या मैंने उसे सही से सुना है? What did you say? तुमने क्या कहा था? I asked again. By what? क्या खरीदना है? Cobras, reply my sister, said my sister simply. मेरी सिस्टर ने बिल्कुल सिंपल वे में कहा cobras. As if it was the most normal request in the world. As it is, जैसे it's very informal request. जैसा कि ये बहुत साधारण सी बात है. What on earth do you want to cobras for? What will you do with the cobra? Why do you want the cobra? तुम्हें कोबरा क्यों चाहिए? I want to buy one, buy it and tame it. मैं एक कोबरा खरीदना चाहती हूँ and टेम इट यानी मेक हिम डोमेस्टिकेटेड, ट्रेंड, मैं उसे घर पे रखना चाहती हूँ, उसे ट्रेंड करना चाहती हूँ. वॉट? सरप्राइजिंगली नरेटर आस्क्ड अगेन हर सिस्टर. आश्चर्यचकित होते हुए नरेटर ने फिर से उससे अपनी सिस्टर से कहा, वॉट? डैम ए रियल लाइव स्नैक? सच में पालतू बनाना है एक लाइव स्नैक को? माई सिस्टर बस्ट आउट लाफिंग एंड सेड. हर सिस्टर burst out and laughing loudly suddenly and said, और कहती है why not, क्यों नहीं, they are pretty useful creatures, ये तो बहुत ही useful creatures होते हैं. I was absolutely certain my sister had gone batty. She was absolutely thinking that her sister gone mad. Batty यानी स्लाइटली क्रेजी या गॉन मैड की डूइंग स्टूपिडली टॉक. सो और परहैप्स देयर वाज समथिंग रॉन्ग, और परहैप्स देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग with her ears. Is she correctly absolutely talking about to make the domesticated animal like a cobra, or it may be her ear was not working properly? So that I put my finger in both my ears and shook my head vigorously. She put her fingers in his ears and shook his head vigorously. उसने दोनों उंगलियां अपने दोनों ears में डाल के shook her head, उसने अपने सर को तेजी से हिलाया. And like the action to clean the ear, ऐसा एक्शन किया जैसे वो अपने कान साफ कर रही हूँ. To listen every word properly of her sister. Now remaining part we'll see in tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.